Good morning, everyone. In today's lecture, we'll discuss about some numericals based on flip-flop. First numerical. It is given that identify the type of flip-flop. So we have given this circuit. We have to find it is which flip-flop. ऐसा flip-flop JK, D or T. So coming on, first, we'll apply the input. We'll do the operation and we'll check the output. So we have taken input as X and Q. X and Q are the inputs because your one wire is connected to your XOR gate and the second one is X that is connected to the flip-flop directly. So we'll take input as X and Q. So there will be four possible combinations because we are using two flip-flop. We are using flip-flop that is S and R. So for that there will be 2 to the power 2, that is four possible outcomes will be there. So we'll take input as 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. Now at S we can see your X and Q is performing an XOR operation. So your S will be equals to X XOR Q. Clear? So we will do the XOR operation. So your 0 0 is 0, 0 1 is 1, 1 0 is 1 and 1 1 is 0. Clear? Now at R we have S is your X XOR Q. So we have calculated S. Now S is connected to R using an invert gate. So what will happen? The output of S, if we invert that, we will get the output at R. So what we did? R is equals to S bar. So the output of S was 0 1 1 0. So after doing the invert gate, we get 0 is 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. Clear? Now coming on to the output, how we will calculate the output. Don't see the input, just neglect the input, just see S and R. Just see the outputs of the flip-flop. See, it is 0 1, that is your reset pin high, because this is S and this is R. We can see that the reset pin is high, that is 0. Now after that we see that 1 0 means your set pin is high, that is 1. Again it is 1 0, set pin high 1. For 0 1 it is reset pin high, it is 0. Now if we see only the input, that is X and Q, and we consider the output, we won't be seeing S and R. अब हम S और R को नहीं देखेंगे, सिर्फ किसको देखेंगे? इनपुट को देखेंगे और आउटपुट को. So we can see your input combinations are 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1, and output Q was 0 1 1 0. Now see, it is 0 0 means 0 0, that is no change. After then it is 0 1, it is 1, there is no change. 1 0, from 0 we are having here 1, that is the toggle condition that we have done in T flip-flop. And from 1 0 it is again getting 0, that is the toggle condition. So we can say that this flip-flop behaves as a T flip-flop. Clear? Now coming on to the second one. Now in the second numerical it is given, considers the circuit shown in the figure. This is the figure given. Now we have to find the operation for Q plus, that is the next state. See, for that first we consider the input. So your input are X and Q. We will be having four possible combinations, that is 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. Now here see in the figure, this is not an XOR gate because a bubble is also applied over here. So we will see here we have an XNOR gate. So this is the operation of your XNOR gate. This is your input X. Clear? Now see, your S will be your Z will be your Z will be X XNOR Q. We know the table of XOR as well as we know the table of XNOR. So if we invert the table of XOR, we can get the XNOR. So the XNOR will be 1, 0, 0 and 1. Clear? Now see S. For S we have applied an inverting gate. Till here it was Z. यहाँ पे हमें Z था. Now before S we have an inverting gate. So क्या the output of Z we can invert that. तो output of Z क्या आया था 1 0 0 1. So we'll get from 1 it is 0 0 it is 1 0 1 1 0. Clear? Now R is the input of your Z. So what was the Z output? Z output was 1 0 0 1. So we'll get R as 1 0 0 1. Now again we see over here it is 0 1. That is your reset pin high. So it is 0 1 0 set pin high 1 1 0 set pin high 1 0 1 reset pin high it is 0. Clear? Now if we see, this is the same as we have done previously. So this circuit also work as your T flip-flop because it get toggles over here. So here we can see which operation it is performing. It is performing an XOR operation. Through the table we can see this is performing an XOR operation. So we can say that at Q plus we get X XOR Q. So finally we get the answer, that is it is performing an XOR operation. Clear? So we'll discuss more problems based on flip-flop.